Hi guys, I have a friend.
On the floor.
Welcome back to Being Bash. If you have been with me for a while, you know that I did Jeremy's makeup a few years ago and he looked beautiful. So we thought we would reverse the roles and he could make me look beautiful today. So I don't have very much makeup to choose from. This is all my makeup. I used to have a lot more, so lucky for you, you don't have a lot to choose from. You can use anything, just don't ruin it.
Yeah, just don't, well, stop me before.
Well, you're probably gonna ruin my face, but.
Yeah, I'm gonna start with a primer, because when you paint a car, you start with primer. I don't know what I'm doing. Is that a lot?
Okay.
You are tanto. Running. Running fire. The thing is too, like my hands are so dry, they're probably like sandpaper on her face.
I need some exfoliation anyways.
Well, you'll get that with these. You can hear it.
You gotta sand the face down first before the paint job.
I think that's...
The difference is you're sanding me down and priming me at the same time.
Yep. I'm controlling your face, so I'd probably not talk too much. Alright, so then we've primed. Now this is her war paint. This is her foundation. I've seen her do this before. Let's see if I can replicate it.
What about the cookies?
Why are you wearing jeans?
But I won't be in the video too.
Okay, you wanna come say hi?
Yeah.
You wanna watch Daddy do Bash's makeup?
Can you sit right there then?
Yeah.
Alright, don't touch anything, but go back there. We'll give you like extra eyebrows. Like Angry Bird eyebrows.
Keep her like an angry bird.
Alright. I don't like that look. I'm going with this one then. I mean, I don't care. Your looks, that's what you're gonna get. Is there like a technique, like broad, smooth strokes like with a car? How about dabbled?
That's a technique.
I feel like this is pretty good. Look at me, to the right. Yeah, you gotta go over here a little bit.
Daddy.
Why is there two lids?
Daddy.
I don't know.
Let's finish doing your makeup.
I already did.
No.
Close your eyes.
Daddy. Oh, that's what you need.
I'm scared.
We're going with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Anti-aging, for those of you who are also low 20s. I feel like you might need anti-aging. Look, you side-eyeing me. Close them. What? Wait a minute. I got an idea. This is a brush. I remember how it felt on my eyeball, though. I did not like it when you're doing that. You're like...
No, I wasn't.
Oh.
I'm gentle.
Gentle, like a bull in a china shop. Okay, now we're gonna go with Tarte. And basically what I'm gonna do here is look for the one she's used the most of.
Good technique.
And then think of where she usually puts it. I don't know if this goes on the eye or the face.
Okay.
Nope, it goes up here. We're gonna go up here now. That's right. I find it really hard to pick up material. How do you know if you're getting any?
Material.
What is the...
Not gonna make it even. You're only doing the face on one.
Well, see, the thing is, I didn't even get any over there on your face.
Really?
Okay, well here, you get like 2 little stripes. This one stinks.
Smells like coconut.
Smells like coconut. This is a butter bronzer.
Using the foundation brush again? Okay.
No. This is why I work on cars and fly airplanes. This is not. Okay. that out a little.
Blend.
Blend, we'll blend. I don't know, need to get sprayed in the face again? We'll do that. To the right a little bit.
Okay, now he wants to use the Jaclyn Hill palette.
Right. So,
all right.
Again, going with what I can see she's definitely used.
Now try to do a good job.
No, I'm not trying to mess this up, but your colors are going to be awful because I'm terrible at picking that out. So that is splotchy as all get out. That is...
You can go in more than one time to the color, you know.
What? Oh. I thought you could pretty... Yeah, when I take a step back, it looks way... Okay, just let it happen. Look up.
Oh, we're going for a black eye kind of look.
Yeah.
Great.
So scary. Looks like you have a black eye or something.
Are you doing your best?
I'm not trying to screw it up, if that's what you mean. I'm going to try to do better on this side than I did on that side.
It's gonna look like you have two black eyes.
Thanks, buddy. You were totally hesitant to let me do it on the bottom. Babe, that looks terrible. It's really bad.
You know what? You gotta own it. Act confident, no one will question you.
That's not gonna work in this case. If people are gonna question the crap out of you, you're like, what's wrong with this girl? Alright, we'll do this. What was that face?
Nothing, just nothing. Do I look like I belong on the runway?
I mean, most runway models don't make any sense either, so.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
That looks awful. If you put a weird hat on and some, like, mostly new dress, you probably wouldn't. The idea here is to mitigate the issue with the blue.
The issue.
If someone were to do this makeup for you and you paid money for it, you would walk away crying. That.
Oh yeah, I'm scared for my life when you put that utensil around my eye. Oh.
Oh, as if I'm supposed to know what that means.
Oh, okay. Contour brush using a highlighter under my eyes.
That doesn't even look better. It's not even covering it.
This is really bad. I didn't think it was going to be this hard.
Do you have a newfound respect for women who do makeup?
I would say that when I'm waiting for an hour and a half.
Not an hour and a half. When do you ever wait for an hour and a half for me? You're just trying to use stereotypes.
Well, whenever guys wait for an hour and a half, I'd say, would you look? I can't see. All right.
Kind of actually looks like you have a mask on because it's, because it's not your real skin.
Do I look
Yeah.
like a scary monster?
No.
You didn't use any concealer, but I mean,
What are you trying to conceal? You're perfect.
especially right now.
What are you? Stop trying to. Would you? Let it be. Sit back.
Those look like you have a total black eye and nothing's making it better. You're just gonna have to live with it.
That's life, you know? What?
Yep. Going that way.
Are you even trying anymore?
Babe, open your eye. Yeah, that's bad. I'm not going to do the others, your passenger side, on the same ways. We're going to consider this a learning experience.
Bash, this is kind of giving me into a weird feeling because Daddy's doing your makeup. It looks terrible.
And every time you smirk because you know it's awful, you move your eyes a little bit.
Oh, that's what's making it look so bad. You're right.
In next week's video, she'll change the brakes on her car.
I don't think either of us want that. You would have to fix the problem.
Oop. No, I wouldn't say that you moved and screwed it up, but we all know what happened there.
Whoop. I don't like that sound near my eye.
That's still bad, but we're going to leave that one because that one, it's...
Let's review. It's better.
Yeah. Because this one...
That one's better. I know my eyebrows don't look great, but...
I was going to say, I don't think they're that bad.
I've never felt better in my life.
Yeah?
About myself.
I don't even know... I can't even see like anything happening when I do this. Given my track record so far, less is definitely going to be more.
Wow.
What's a wow?
I just look really beat.
You look very bad.
Stuff looks like tar. Okay. I feel like I got some skin on that one.
What?
How many times have you done that in your life?
More than I like to admit.
Driver's side's better than the passenger side on this one, but I like this eye more than this eye for sure. Okay, Sammy Sosa.
Itty bitty lippy committee.
Talk less. What?
Your face looks ugly.
Buddy, she can never look ugly.
The face you're
What do you want?
You know, all of your facial expressions.
Do they make it better?
Fiend. I'll just say this. I've dated girls who did worse to their own faces.
Do I look fabulous?
Nope. I'd date you. Yeah, I'd date you, but I'm not gonna kiss you though. That's...
All right. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Sorry for
torturing your eyes. I hope all my makeup lovers cringed a little bit. And we will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.
She's changing oil and doing a brake job next, I think.
Okay. What do they need to do?
Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me how awful I did. Bye.
Bye.